Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization by x. This one we can do another factorization by s squared. So s and s squared we simplify. And we see that when s approaches to number 0, this one you got about 0. However, this one you still got about positive number 3. So in this situation, we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So when we put number 0 in here, you got about positive number 3. But if s approaches to number 0 on the left, so we know that this one in here, we will have about negative number in here because s is smaller than number 0. And this one, s is smaller than number 0. So negative and negative, you got positive. So both negative and negative, you got positive, and this one they will go to positive infinity. Now, when s approaches to number 0 on the right, if we put number 0 in here, you got positive number 3. However, this one you got about negative. This one you got positive, and negative, you got negative. So this one you have negative infinity. The next one, we just put number 0 going here, here, and here. So we calculate about this one. We have 1 over 823,543. And this is the final answer. About this one, I can put into negative 4s and negative 3s. This one, that is about identity. So we have the formula in here. So this one we change by this one. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 4. Now we need to do factorization by s minus number 3. Now this one divide by this one. Now I will put number 3 going here and here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.